Hey there, Toolholics. Today we're going to review this here Milwaukee blow jobber. So, it's a fuel, which means it's brushless, which means if you get it wet, you're not going to kill it, which is good because chances are you're going to get it wet at some point. I've got a high output which is the HD 12-hour battery on it. You can run it with smaller batteries, but the bigger the battery, the bigger the blow. So is it strong? It is remarkably strong. It's comparable to most backpack blowers in how strong it is. Both the CFMs and the miles per hour of the blow speed are pretty comparable. The difference between this and a backpack blower is that this gigantic 12-hour battery is going to last you only about 20 minutes of continuous use. So you're not going to be using this for landscape maintenance and blowing all the leaves on someone's yard, unless you happen to have one of these anyways, and you can use it at home or whatever. But the other difference between this and a backpack blower is you don't need mixed fuel. You don't need fuel that's going to leak in your car or your truck. You don't need to swear at it trying to get it started. You don't have a backpack on you. It's really light. Like the battery weighs probably twice as much as the blower itself. So what is it good for if you're not going to use it for clearing yards and things like that? Well, what I use it for is mostly sawdust, and I'll use it to blow a roof clean for shingles or whatever. It cleans up sawdust and job site stuff really great. And if you've been cutting MDF all day in a building and it's time to go home and some jerk wants to keep working, then you can blow away the MDF and clear the whole building, because you can completely fill a building with MDF dust and everybody will leave, and then I guess it's time to go home. So when it's quitting time, pull out the leaf blower and chase everybody off of the job site. So it will blow leaves just fine. It'll blow little chunks of wood. It'll blow roofing nails off of a roof. It's really a great tool to have for little cleanup stuff. I also use it, like I'll blow out my miter saw or table saw, things like that, instead of if I haven't already got compressor hooked up and airline out and a blowgun and all the rest of that junk. But anyways, yeah, great tool. I got mine free I bought the Milwaukee fuel trimmer kit, and they had a deal where it was free. Normally, I think it's about $200, and I'd say it's definitely worth the $200, but you definitely want to buy these batteries in a kit. They cost about $100 more if you buy them separate than if you buy them in a kit. And when you buy them in a kit, you get a rapid charger, which makes a huge difference in the amount of charging time. So what's the verdict on this guy? Definitely a great tool. For the price, I think definitely worth it. For the fact that you can use it to blow girls' shirts up, that's a bonus, definitely a bonus, and almost worth having one just for that.